Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ilm and Edu. Today's topic is one word substitution part 2. Words used for various kinds of food eaters and eating habits. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Living on all or one who eats all kinds of food. Omnivores. Living on fruits. Frugivores. One who eat only fruits. Fruitarian. One who eats no animal flesh. Vegetarian. One who feeds on human flesh. Cannibal. One who enjoys food with a sensual pleasure. Gourmand. One whose eating habit is repulsive. Glutton. Living on flesh. Carnivores. Living on grass. Herbivores. Living on fish. Piscivores. Part 2 subjects at a glance. We learned today omnivores, frugivores, fruitarian, vegetarian, cannibal, gourmand, glutton, carnivores, herbivores, and piscivores. This is the part 2 video, and part 1 video is given on the end screen. Thank you.